What's up everybody, Greg Hitchko here, and in this 2-minute tech tip, I'll be showing you guys how to remove that lower steering stem bearing from your dirt bike. Okay, so first up as far as tools go, you're gonna set up dikes, some type of punch, a dead blow hammer, and you'll need a vise in order to hold the triple clamps. So the steering stem bearing is pretty much made up of 4 components. We got the inner collar, this lower housing piece, and then you got the cage with all the needle bearings in it. So step 1 is to snip that outer cage, and we're gonna be removing the cage along with the needle bearings. So next, load up the triple clamp into the vise using either a towel or some soft jaws on the vise. You don't want to nick up the triple clamp. As you can see right here, there's this nice lip on this inner collar here. So we're gonna take that punch and the soft blow hammer and try to work this inner collar right off the stem. If you come across a situation like I did here where that inner collar is super fragile from being really old, you can take the punch and come at the collar from the bottom side here, but just be super careful not to nick that lower triple clamp. And then once you get a little bit more space between the collar and the actual triple clamp itself, it's a lot easier to get that punch in there to knock it right out. Then this collar and dust shield should just slide right off. Just remember to be patient with this process. Work that punch around that bottom collar. If you need to come from the back side of the collar because that top lip chipped like this one did, just be super careful not to ding up that triple clamp. With a little bit of patience, it'll come right off. Don't hesitate to ask me if you have any questions about the process on removing that lower steering stem bearing. They do actually make tools to get those things off, but they're like 150, 160 bucks. And the way I described today with the hammer, the chisel, and the dikes, it's gotta be the most cost-efficient way to get that done. So if you like this content, guys, punch the like button, subscribe to the channel. A ton more 2-minute tech tips coming your way. Peace.